Um, Guys, I told you I'm gonna start talking about sample collection and how it's important for any assay. Anyways, help me find out, like, identify a good name for this, these series tips and advices on sample collection. But I'm very excited to tell you about a new innovation that we came up with. So we always heard from our customers, end users, that saliva is not a pleasant way of collecting sample, or they tell us, food particles, non-human genomic DNA interferes with the process. So we came out with a simple, cool approach. So basically, this is all in one, really all in one. So you will have the ability to spit once, not 2 ml, and then just close it and ship it to the lab. It is the same standard tube. Now here is where the innovation comes out. So basically, do you see there is a basket? So if somebody has food particles, any of those, it will be captured here. And then, when it gets to the lab, all what the lab needs to do, the processing lab, is take this top and toss it. Now, if people don't want to spit, there is always the option of swabbing. So they can swab. So this actually basket can hold 3 swabs. They can break it in, the head of the swab, close it, again, the same thing, and ship it. So the stabilizing liquid will be here. So you will see, as you can see, the mesh, and there is slots on the side for the liquid to continuously, the stabilizing buffer, continuously stabilize sample collection. And guess what? You're gonna get the best genomic DNA, long fragment, the longest fragments you can get from any sample collection, because of our unique stabilizing buffer, as well as bacterial DNA contamination limited. We haven't offered it yet, but this is something that absolutely we're very excited about, that will make actually sample collection, non-invasive sample collection, is even more fun for children and adults and any population.